She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
What's up? It's me, Jasmine here. I know you guys are probably wondering where I am. I'm currently in Seattle right now helping my boyfriend move into his new apartment. I'm honestly so excited about it. We just went into the apartment and it's literally beautiful. This is basically going to be a moving vlog. I decided that I want to vlog this because I feel like moving vlogs are really fun to watch. So I'm just going to be taking you guys along with me. We're going to be going to like IKEA, Costco, maybe Ross, Target. And yeah, we're just gonna be doing a lot of moving stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna film a lot of it because like I probably will be too busy to film, but I'll try to get some clips and make this video good for you guys. So yeah, by the way, I did not move. I still live in my little studio apartment. I live like a couple hours away, a 2-hour plane ride away. So yeah, I'm really excited about the place. It's really pretty. I probably will be coming here pretty often, like maybe once every other month. But yeah, I just want to update you guys. See you guys when we're like at IKEA or Costco. I'm not sure.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down.
Hey guys, what's up? I don't know if you guys can hear me because the road is kind of loud. It's now the next day. I honestly didn't bring out my camera to vlog at all after you guys saw like the clip of me talking before. We did a lot of things yesterday. It was just very hectic, so I didn't want to bring out my camera. We went to Costco, we went to Target, we went to Staples, we went to Home Goods, but I'm sorry I didn't vlog that, but it's okay. Today we're going to IKEA and I remembered to bring my camera, so I'm definitely gonna be trying to vlog a bit at IKEA. We just had to pick up some like bigger furniture pieces like the bed frame and all that stuff. We picked up a bunch of little things yesterday. We didn't clean anything yet, so we're probably gonna do that when we get home. And yeah, this is just a little update. We're currently in the car on the way to IKEA. It's raining and the road is really loud, so I'm sorry if you can't hear me. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we're at IKEA.
Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine around. Yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running.
Hey guys, so it's now a couple hours later. I honestly forgot to vlog in IKEA because it was really busy and I didn't want to like bother people. So we're currently at like the bed frame area and my boyfriend's planning to get this bed. He's like over there right now, but he'll come back. So this is the bed that he's planning to get. And we have a bunch of stuff in our cart. It's just small knick-knack stuff, but we're excited about it. So yeah, I feel so awkward vlogging right now.
June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. There's something you can use.
I don't know if you guys can see that. We just got out of IKEA IKEA and we're struggling to get like the bed frame into the cars. So we have the windows open right now and it's raining. But I guess it's working out well because it actually fits in the car, so that's cool. But like it's just really cool. So yeah. We're gonna go back to the apartment and then drop everything off, and then we're gonna get food because IKEA's food court was closed and we didn't have time to get anything else. So we're gonna drop everything off and get food right away because we're really hungry and we haven't eaten all day. So yeah, we're about to get on the freeway again and it's not gonna be fun because it's really loud. I'll show you guys what we got when we get home, maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes.
Hey guys, we're currently in the car eating the pasta. We actually got 3 dishes because we're so hungry. He's eating a salmon one. He's out of frame because he's eating. And then I have this one. It's like a truffle mushroom one and it's literally so good. I showed you guys like an overview clip and we're sharing some ravioli. I just want to update you guys because I know I haven't vlogged a lot. I'm sorry, moving is just really busy and it's very hectic, and it's like sometimes I forget to bring out my camera, and honestly it's really hard to bring out a camera half the time. Also it's raining half the time, so I don't want to get my camera damaged. So yeah, I just want to update you guys. I'm gonna eat the pasta now and I'll talk to you guys later.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
Hey guys, what's up? It's really dark outside right now, but we just got back from District H. It's like an H Mart, I guess. I thought it was an H Mart, but it's called District H. It's like a smaller bougie version of H Mart, I guess. And we bought a bunch of stuff because I want some stuff for the week because I'm gonna be staying here for another week. Not another week, but for the rest of the week I'm gonna be here. So I got some like noodles that I want to make and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then we also got some hot meals because they're on sale for 30% off. They were like really cheap, so I decided to get it. And yeah, right now we're probably gonna go to Home Goods again to pick up some stuff, and then we're gonna head back to the apartment. Also, I'm so sorry, this is the next day. I just did not vlog the whole day. We're just doing work and stuff. So yeah. Hey guys, it's now like a couple days later. I honestly haven't vlogged in a few days and I forgot when was the last time I vlogged, but I'm back. I honestly just been really busy sleeping, and then my boyfriend works during the day, so we don't really do anything. We're just busy doing a lot of moving stuff, and I had to like edit some videos and do some work, so I didn't really record that. I'm sorry this vlog is not very like super eventful, but I have like 2-3 more days left being here and I'm leaving, so I just brought out my camera again, and right now we're gonna be going to the U Village, I believe that's the name, and we're eating at Din Tai Fung. So yeah, I'll probably see you guys when I'm there. I might do a little bit shopping. Don't know what stores they have there, but it's currently dark outside, so hopefully it doesn't rain or anything. So yeah.
Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.